Machu Picchu, Peru. Welcome to the majestic Machu Picchu, one of the most iconic landmarks in the world. Perched high in the Andes Mountains of Peru, this ancient Incan citadel continues to capture the imagination of explorers and travelers alike. Join us as we delve into the history, mystery, and splendor of this UNESCO World Heritage Site. The history. Machu Picchu, an ancient Incan citadel nestled in the Andes Mountains of Peru, was built in the 15th century during the reign of Emperor Pachacuti. This remarkable site served as a royal estate and religious sanctuary, showcasing the Incas' architectural prowess with its precisely cut stones and seamless integration into the natural landscape. Despite its significance, Machu Picchu remained largely unknown to the outside world until American explorer Hiram Bingham brought it to international attention in 1911. Since then, it has captivated historians, archaeologists, and travelers, symbolizing the ingenuity and mystique of the Inca civilization. Recognized as a UNESCO World Heritage Site, Machu Picchu continues to be a focal point of cultural heritage and historical inquiry. The citadel is divided into two main areas: the agricultural sector, with its vast terraces, and the urban sector, home to temples, plazas, and residential buildings. Each stone was precisely cut and fitted together without the use of mortar, demonstrating the Incas' advanced engineering techniques. Machu Picchu is not just a testament to the past, it remains a living part of Peruvian culture. Traditional ceremonies are still held here, connecting the people to their rich heritage. Visitors from around the world come to experience the serene beauty and spiritual atmosphere of this sacred place. How to get to Machu Picchu. Reaching Machu Picchu involves several steps, as it is located in a remote area of the Andes Mountains in Peru. Here's a guide on how to get there. Step 1. Travel to Cusco. By air. Most visitors fly into Alejandro Velasco Astete International Airport, CUZ, in Cusco from Lima, the capital of Peru. There are also international flights to Cusco from neighboring countries. By bus. Buses from Lima to Cusco are available, but the journey is long, about 21 hours, and less comfortable compared to flying. Step 2. From Cusco to Aguas Calientes. Option 1. By train. The most popular and scenic way to reach Aguas Calientes, the town at the base of Machu Picchu, is by train. Trains depart from either the Poroy station, 20 minutes from Cusco, or the Ollantaytambo station, 1.5 to 2 hours from Cusco. The journey from Cusco to Aguas Calientes takes about 3 to 4 hours. Option 2. By trekking. Inca Trail, a popular multi-day hike, usually 4 days, that ends at Machu Picchu. This requires a permit and booking well in advance due to limited availability. Option 3. By car and train. A combination of car and train travel involves driving from Cusco to the hydroelectric station, then taking a train to Aguas Calientes. This route is longer but offers a different experience. Step 3. From Aguas Calientes to Machu Picchu. By bus. Buses run frequently from Aguas Calientes to the entrance of Machu Picchu. The journey takes about 25 to 30 minutes and tickets can be purchased in advance or in the town. On foot. For those who prefer to hike, it is possible to walk from Aguas Calientes to Machu Picchu. The hike is steep and takes about 1.5 to 2 hours. Tips for travelers. Tickets. Purchase entrance tickets to Machu Picchu well in advance, especially during peak tourist season. Guides. Hiring a guide can enhance your visit, providing historical context and insights into the site. Preparation. Bring appropriate clothing, water, snacks, and sun protection. Altitude sickness can be an issue, so acclimatize in Cusco before heading to Machu Picchu. With careful planning, your journey to Machu Picchu can be an unforgettable adventure, blending stunning landscapes with rich historical experiences. Machu Picchu stands as a timeless monument to human creativity and resilience, a place where history and nature converge. Thank you for joining us on this journey through one of the world's most extraordinary wonders. Until next time, keep exploring and embracing the wonders of our world.